In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive folder permissions. This process is crucial for managing who can view or edit the contents of your Drive folders, ensuring that your documents and files are shared safely and appropriately. Whether you're collaborating on a team project or simply need to update access for existing shared folders, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll be presented with your list of files and folders. From this list, locate the folder whose permissions you wish to change. Right-click on the folder name to reveal a drop-down menu offering various options. In this menu, select the Share option. Doing so will open a new dialog box that displays the current sharing settings for this folder. Within this sharing settings box, you'll see a list of people who currently have access to your folder. Here, you can add new people by entering their email addresses in the Add People and Groups field. Google Drive also allows you to customize the level of access you grant each user. As you add emails, you'll notice a small drop-down menu next to the field, which provides options like Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Viewer means the person can see the folder contents but cannot make any changes. Commenter allows viewing and commenting on files. Editor provides full access, allowing all changes. Choose the appropriate permissions level for each person you add. If you need to update existing permissions, simply locate the person's name in the list and click on the permission drop-down next to their name to adjust their access level. Additionally, you can remove someone's access entirely by clicking the X next to their name. Before you finalize these changes, you have the option to add a personalized message if you're notifying people about their new or updated access. It could be a brief note explaining the update and any necessary instructions for the project or file. Once you've set the desired permissions and added any necessary messages, click on the Send button located at the bottom of the dialog box. This action sends a notification email to all individuals affected by the changes. It's a good practice to double-check the permission settings before hitting Send to ensure that everyone has the correct level of access. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your Google Drive folder permissions, maintaining secure and efficient control over who can view or edit your shared documents. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your collaboration efforts continue seamlessly while safeguarding the integrity of your documents. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials to make your digital organization even simpler.